Look, it's us.
We're having breakfast.
Day 3, you're gonna get a montage for day 2 because technology sucks. It doesn't want to cooperate, and I was tired. But day 2 was rough for me. She destroyed it, and now we got delicious food. Hi, Mom. Thanks for the hand-me-down bikes when I was a kid. Thanks, Kayla and Tier, for letting me ride them. We're sending letters home and getting free bananas.
Yeah, we're sending postcards.
We are at Hy-Vee, sharing a wrap.
23 miles in. Day
23
3.
miles in, 30 miles left, so.
And it is, let's see what time it is.
I don't know, but it's early.
9:16. We're making great time.
Ooh. All right, 1.5 left. Just break it into little chunks.
Yep, as long as we can get done, get as much miles under your legs before noon. That's the name of the game.
Yeah, because the heat sets in, and it's a whole another ball game. It was taking me out at the end yesterday.
It becomes a mental game at that point.
Ride, little break there with our wraps took a little longer than we thought, but now we're running a ton of hills. I think our 1,000 feet of climbing today will all be done right here. Up, 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 up we go.
No more up. I just got back on my bike. I don't want to go straight up.
It's someone's birthday. Beach driving any day. miles. Day 3, 10 miles left. I want to take a shower and I wanted to find this mythical Thai truck that does free laundry.
We are gross. We have loofahs now though.
Yes, we finally have loofahs.
And
so
suds.
so we can like scrub the thin layer of sunscreen off. Yeah.
But I'm feeling pretty good still. My legs are getting a little tight.
I feel fine except for my butt sore as crap.
Yeah.
And that's just because I've been using it a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Santa doesn't live in North Pole. He lives in hot ass Iowa.
Showers in the pool. It's a little hot.
There's a line. Back at the end of day 3. It's one of those days. I don't know. There's more.
We're done. It feels so good to be in a pool with slides and diving boards and umbrellas. I'm ready for dinner soon.